This is the first time we've spoken this season, Jeb. How have you found pre-season so far?
Yeah, tough. Good. We've had some good games, good run-outs. I think the lads have bought into it really well. Obviously, it's exciting, new challenge going into the Welsh Premier League, and one we're looking forward to. I think the boys have worked really hard, got some good minutes in the legs, and worked on a lot of stuff that hopefully we want to try and implement in a higher league next year and make a good account of ourselves. So yeah, good.
Has pre-season been different this year to last season? The challenge we've got ahead? Yeah,
in some ways. Obviously, we've got to look at things and maybe sort of like have different ways of playing this year, adapt to different games and different formations and personnel. We might have to go, more direct in certain games. Obviously, we like to pass the ball, but you've got to have options throughout the team and adapt to different games. So, obviously, from a footballing perspective, yeah, pre-season has been maybe a little bit different this year. But in terms of the running, that never changes.
No,
it's always the same. Yeah.
Obviously, we've seen the fixtures and our first fixtures in August. How has that been in the group? Are you excited or? Yeah,
I think obviously the longest away trip of the season's our first game.
Yeah.
Mentally, I think it's a good one to do because everyone will be excited, raring to go.
Yeah.
I think we can go down there with, hoping to give a good account of ourselves and make a stamp on the league. And if we go down there and get a result of some kind, it's a massive place to sort of start your journey. So we're confident going into all the fixtures, and we've been together a long time now as a group. That'll count for a lot going into this league. The togetherness and the sort of fluidity, I suppose, we have on the pitch together. So yeah, we're looking forward to the fixtures. It's going to be a tough month. There's some very good teams. I don't think anyone in the Welsh Prem now is, everyone's got quality. So in all areas of the pitch. So yeah, the league will be tough, but we're under no illusion that it's going to be difficult, and we need to be ready for the challenge.
Has it been different? Obviously, we haven't had our pitch. We've been training on the grass. Is that something that the lads can't wait to get back on? Yeah,
for sure. I mean, training on this pitch has been a means to an end for us, really. Obviously, it's out of our hands with the pitch being relayed, but that's just brilliant for the season coming forward, and positive for the club. And having a new pitch like that is a boost for us as well. We've still been able to do everything we need to do on this pitch. Obviously, with the weather and stuff, it's a bit dry at times, but we've still been able to pass and move and work on patterns of play and set pieces and shape and stuff. So everything that we need to do, really, we've been able to execute and at least get it to a standard where we all know what we're doing.
Okay, thank you, Jeff.
Nice.